Hi, my name's Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools, and today I'm very excited to introduce you to one of our new air compressors. In front of me today is the Quiet Flow 4710 SQ model. This model is part of our Quiet Flow series that was specifically designed for the DIY and homeowner customer looking for a quiet, lightweight, portable, and powerful air compressor, but doesn't need all the features of our Ultra Quiet series that is a contractor grade with all those features. So let me walk you through the features and benefits of this model. Number one, it's a 1 horsepower air compressor. We use a dual piston oil-free pump and motor. The oil-free pump and motor allows you to use it in cold temperatures and uneven surfaces. The pump and motor is designed for 1,000 hours before wear, and you can repair it and replace this pump and motor if necessary. The pump and motor produces 2.0 CFM at 90 psi and 3.0 CFM at 40 psi. And what that means is you can use it with nail guns, staple guns, brad nailers, finishing nailers, inflating your tires, cleaning things off, airbrushes, engraving tools, and a variety of other tools that you can use with this air compressor. The air compressor is 43 pounds, so it is portable and it is easy to carry and lift around. We use a 4.6 gallon steel tank. This allows you to have more air in the tank before the motor starts running. The air compressor operates at 65 decibels. 65 decibels is similar to our conversation that we're having right now. I'm going to walk you through a demonstration, a sound demonstration, to give you a comparison idea. Next to me is a standard air compressor that produces 90 decibels of sound. That's very loud. And I'm going to turn on the Quiet Flow air compressor, which is 65 decibels. As you can hear, this is a very quiet air compressor. You can use it indoors, in a house, in an apartment, in a garage, in a retail store. Designed for quiet, portability, long life, oil-free. Please contact us at California Air Tools if you have any questions. Thank you very much.